If you're looking for a Python for Everybody review, you're probably wondering if this popular Coursera program is still worth taking. After looking at the course content, student feedback, and overall value, it's easy to see why this is one of the highest rated Python programs for beginners. Before we get started, if you're planning to take more than one course on Coursera, check the discount link in the description. Coursera Plus can save you money compared to paying for courses individually. Python for Everybody is taught by Dr. Charles Severance from the University of Michigan. The specialization includes 5 beginner-friendly courses that teach Python from the ground up. You'll learn programming fundamentals, data structures, web scraping, APIs, databases, and a capstone project that helps you apply everything you've learned. The program is designed for complete beginners, so no previous coding experience is required. One of the biggest strengths of this program is the teaching style. The lessons are easy to follow and move at a comfortable pace. That's one reason why the specialization has attracted nearly 2 million learners and maintains outstanding ratings across its courses. The certificate also carries strong credibility because it's offered by the University of Michigan, one of the top public universities in the United States. Completing the program gives you practical Python skills that can help prepare you for data science, automation, software development, and many other technology careers. The only downside is the pricing if you buy courses separately. If you plan to continue learning Python or move into AI, machine learning, SQL, or data analytics, paying for individual learning programs can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the better option. You get access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs. You can earn unlimited certificates while learning from leading universities and companies, making it a much better long-term investment. Overall, my Python for Everybody review is very positive. It's one of the best Python courses for complete beginners and one of the strongest starting points on Coursera. If you want to check the latest Coursera Plus discount, you'll find the link in the description below.